6 a.m. and we're here at the foot of Mount Kenya where we're in Narumoru. It looks pretty dry, but how important it is that we now start maximizing all the spaces that we have and seeing the value in them and not leaving them just bare, but also planting trees even in the drier regions. We're starting off with the Miyawaki method on a small piece of land. Plant and grow trees. As you can see, the forest is doing so well. This is one of the trees. It's a Nandi flame, and I'm holding it just to give it perspective of the diameter from here at the floor coming all the way up and how well it has been doing. This is my height level, and I'm about 5'7", and some of the trees, as you can see even from behind, about my height. But look at this acacia. We have done no trimming whatsoever. It's doing so well.